Students, now today we are going to do exercise 2, which is based on division. So here, firstly I have considered question number 1, A part. You are to divide and check your answer by multiplication. In class 4, you have already learned how to divide 3 or 4 digit numbers by a 2-digit number. Now here, instead of 3 or 4 digit number, we are having 5-digit number. Procedure is almost same. Now let's start. So here you are to divide 18,325 by 36. So this is the dividend and this is the divisor. Divisor is always written outside and dividend is written within the brackets. Right? The next step, because this is a 2-digit number, the divisor is a 2-digit number, so you will have to consider at least these 2 digits from extreme left, the first. Right? Now this is 18. 18 is less than 36, so you cannot divide it by 36. So what we will do, we will consider 3 digits together. So that is 183. Now we are to locate a number in the table of 36 which is either equal to 183 or just less than this. So for that we will have to make a guess, because 36 is a big number, right? And you have done tables till 17. So what we can do, if we consider 36 multiplied by 6, what do we get? Because 6 threes are is 18. So when you will be multiplying 36 by 6, you will be getting a number greater than 180. This is our guess, right? So let's see, what do we get? 6 6 are 36, so 6 will be written down, 3 will be carried forward. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 3 is 21, so the answer is 216. Now which is greater than 180? 3. So you cannot consider it, right? So now let's see what we will get when we will multiply 36 by 5. We get 180. Now this can be considered, right? So we will write 180 below 183. So this is what? 36 5s are 180. So after subtracting the two numbers, what are you getting? 3 here. 3 will be left. And the next digit will be taken down. So in this way we are getting 32. Now 32 is less than 36. Right? So what you will do? You cannot bring down the next digit. That will be taken down in the next step only. So what we can do here, we will consider 36 zeros are 0. So after subtracting these two numbers, you will be getting 32 here and 5 will be taken down. So you get 325. Now we are to find a number in the table of 36 which is either equal to 325 or just less than this, right? So let's see. Now students, you can think that when you will multiply 36 by 10, what will you get? 360. That is very easy, right? So what if we multiply 36 by 9? Let's see, what do we get? So when we multiply 36 by 9, we are getting 324. Now 324 is just 1 less than 325. So this can be considered, right? So we will write 36 9s are 324. So when you will subtract the two numbers, the answer will be 1 here. So what is this? This is our quotient and this is our remainder. Right? So our question does not finish here only. We are to check our answer also. Right? How can we check? For that we know this formula. dividend is equals to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Right, now instead of writing the full words, I can also write Q and R instead of quotient and remainder. So what we will do, we will consider this part. Now after doing the calculations, if you get your answer equal to dividend, your purpose will be solved. So let's see. So we are going to consider quotient into divisor plus remainder. So our quotient is what? 509, right? Divisor is the number by which you divide. So 36 and remainder is 1. So firstly we will multiply 509 by 36. So when you multiply 509 by 36, this you can do on your own. We are getting 18,324, right? And then we are to add 1, that is remainder to this. So what we are getting? 18,325, that is equal to dividend. So what I told you, if your answer will come out to be equal to dividend, your purpose will be solved. So it is checked. So this is how you can do such questions.